Hey beauties, welcome back to another beauty maintenance vlog. Lately, I've been doing my own hair, but this time I really wanted a professional install. I discovered this amazing stylist here in Phoenix. I fell in love instantly with her work on Instagram, and I immediately contacted her for an appointment. And I really wanted to treat myself to some luxury, okay? So I booked the works. I got my hair shampooed twice to get rid of all that dandruff and buildup, and a conditioning treatment. And you know what hair I got, right? You guessed it, Mayvenn hair, because Mayvenn hair has that top quality 100% virgin Remy hair. I ordered the HD lace Brazilian loose wave with a 5x5 closure. My stylist Jada was so impressed with the quality of this hair. Even the lace, she could tell it was HD from 5 feet away. I asked for this hairstyle with the big curls and a buzz down the middle part, and yes, baby hairs. For this glueless install, the only products used were the Mayvenn hairspray and mousse to melt the lace. She bleached the lace and plucked the hairline. She also attached an elastic band that came with the wig since this is glueless. And I don't care what nobody say, these baby hairs are giving. Jada literally slayed these baby hairs, period.
I know, right?
This is crazy.
Just like a goddess. Like,
yeah, that's exactly what it's giving.
Ooh.
It's giving Victoria's Secret.
I didn't.
Apparently, I was feeling myself a little bit too much, but this is the finished look, and I'm obsessed. My stylist 8 down on this install. What do we think?